How to stop WhatsApp calls from someone without blocking. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application and tap on the search bar to search for WhatsApp application over here. Make sure you have the updated version of the WhatsApp application. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So all we need to do is just tap on open, and as we tap on open, we can see the profile over here. Now select any of the profile and make a long press and then tap on this ring icon at the top of the screen. So here you'll be able to mute the notifications from this person for 8 hours, 1 week or always. You can select whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on 8 hours and then tap on OK. Now you'll not be able to get the notification from this particular person, but unfortunately you cannot stop the WhatsApp calls from someone without blocking them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe. So see you next time.